Ji plus E plus An makes Jian, not Jian, but Jian. Yeah, I know. 注音 can be funny, as you should know by now if you've been following our pronunciation series from the beginning. 大家好, welcome to the Sing and Learn Chinese pronunciation series. We are past the halfway mark on our journey through the 405 Chinese syllables. When you learn how to pronounce all of these syllables along with their Chinese tones, you'll be able to pronounce every single Mandarin Chinese word accurately. As always, if you're just beginning to learn Chinese, check out the How Chinese Works video to learn the basics. In this lesson, we'll be going over the Chinese syllables and words from this column of the Chinese pronunciation chart. You can grab your own free copy of the chart at singandlearnchinese.com, link below. Let's start with ji. In the first tone, ji means chicken. Ji kuai, chicken nuggets. Ji rou, chicken meat. Ji, chicken. Next, ji plus e plus a makes jia, as in 家庭, family. 家庭. Then ji plus e plus e makes jie. In the fourth tone, we have 世界, which means the world. 世界. And we actually covered a song called 全世界的人都知道, the whole world knows. You can check out that song to see the word 世界 used in context in lyrics. Then we've got ji plus e plus ao, which makes 教. In the fourth tone, 教会 means church. 教会. Now, ji plus e plus o makes 酒. In the third tone, 酒 means wine. 红酒, red wine. 白酒, white wine, etc. 酒, wine. Then, ji plus e plus an makes 煎, not jian, but 煎. Yeah, I know, 注音 can be funny, as you should know by now if you've been following our pronunciation series from the beginning. Okay, so 煎 in the fourth tone makes 剑, which means a sword. 剑. And ji plus e plus n makes 金, as in 金钱, which means money. Now, if you were paying attention to the last syllables video, you will recall that 金 showed up there as well, in the form of 黄金, which means gold, or just 金 by itself means gold. 金. Next, ji plus e plus ang makes 奖. In the third tone, 奖 means prize, as in 奖杯, trophy. 奖, prize. And here we have ji plus e plus ng, which makes 金, or 京, if you want to have that super proper nasal Beijing accent. 京 in the third tone makes 风景, which means scenery. 风景很漂亮 means the scenery or the view is very pretty. 风景, scenery. Okay, so ji plus yu makes 橘. In the second tone, 橘子 means orange, as in the fruit, 橘子. Although, if you want to say the color, you can say 橘色, which refers to orange, the color. So, in any case, 橘 refers to orange, whether fruit or color. Now, we have ji plus yu plus e, which makes 角, as in 角色, which means a character, like a fictional character, a character that an actor takes on, etc. Actually, this word is also pronounced 角色, and the difference is very murky. If you want to learn more, you can check out this teaching video, which is for Silence Wong's song, A Little Sweet, aka 有点甜. Then you have ji plus yu plus an, which makes 卷. In the third tone, we have 卷发, which means curly hair. 卷 means curl and 发 means hair, so 卷发, curls or curly hair. Now, ji plus yu plus n makes 均, as in 平均, average. On average, Chinese newspapers use 2,000 to 3,000 unique characters. Average, 平均. And ji plus yu plus ng makes 中. In the third tone, you get 中, which is an interesting word. It used to refer to windows, but after the internet came into being, this word became an internet phenomenon, and now it refers to embarrassment, because if you look at the way the character is written, it looks a lot like an emoji that's crying of humiliation. Kind of like the word oars, O-R-Z. If you line up those three letters together, it looks like somebody who's kneeling down with their face on the ground. See it? There on the right? The O is the head, the curve of the R and the top of the Z makes the body, And the bottom of the R is the hands, and the bent part of the Z is the kneeling legs. It's like when you're embarrassed and you just want to put your head on the ground in defeat and not look at anyone. That is 囧. Anyways, remember to download your free pronunciation chart at singandlearnchinese.com and check out our Chinese song videos so you can see some of the words you just learned in context. That will help you remember them better. I'll see you in the next video. Until we sing again, 再见.